Mega companies build powerful AI. They promise breakthroughs. But are they driven by profit, progress, or the urge to stay on top? Today we cut through the headlines and show what the evidence says. We are going to look beyond the headlines and examine the true face of US AI companies. Artificial intelligence is set to reshape the world, but what truly motivates the companies building it? When people say big tech, they usually mean firms that dominate the digital space and are leading AI development. The first major motive is clear: securing profit and ensuring market dominance in this next technological wave. AI is massively expensive. Companies are pouring hundreds of billions into compute, data centers, and chips. That spending looks like a race to control the infrastructure that will generate future profits and market power. Beyond profit, there is a strong push for technological leadership and genuine progress. Corporate roadmaps promise productivity gains, new products, and societal benefits. R&D labs argue that breakthroughs advance science, healthcare, and education, and those real advances do exist. However, we must also examine the behavior that helps these companies maintain their power. Courts and regulators have found or questioned exclusionary deals and dominance in search, cloud, and chips. These actions protect incumbents and raise barriers for rivals, limiting competition and innovation. The public-facing message often differs from internal signals and warnings from the employees themselves. Inside these firms, workers and some researchers have warned publicly about rush deployments, weak safety oversight, and pressure to ship. Philanthropy often mixes public influence with private strategy, steering policy and research in directions that also benefit corporate interests. External forces, like regulators and investors, are beginning to push back, creating internal tension. Regulators and investors are pushing back. Antitrust suits, safety reports, and concerns that AI spending may not pay off. That tension shapes what companies prioritize: growth and market share today or sustainable returns later. So what's the truth? The reality is complex and mixed. Evidence shows big tech acts from multiple motives: profit-seeking and market control, genuine investment in transformative tech, and public-facing philanthropy that mixes altruism with influence. To understand the playbook, watch where companies spend, antitrust rulings, worker pushback, who benefits from philanthropy, and whether safety standards rise.